Good morning. The football season begins today. I can see Manchester United is playing today, and the rest of them. PSG is also playing today, but I'm not going to play them today. There's a whole lot of football games going on today, so I've selected over market for you guys. 9 matches, total of 21 odds. So let's get started. The first game we have here is a game in the Germany amateur, a game between Dobre taking on those monster, and my prediction is over 2.5 goals. Next one we have here is a game in the Swedish division between Olafur taking on Stenungsund, and my prediction here is over 2.5 goals. The next one we have here is a game between Guttorp taking on the campaign in the Swedish Division 2 over 2.5 goals. Next one we have is in Denmark Division 1, where Herald is taking on HB coach, and my prediction is over 2.5 goals. We have another game here in the Finland Amateur Division 3, game between Corners taking on Jaro Academy, and my prediction is over 2.5 goals. Next one we have is a game between Hodi taking on LPK, still in Finland Amateur Division 3, and my prediction is over 2.5 goals. Kindly hit the like button and also share with me where you are watching us from. And then leave a comment in the comment section if you are interested in joining VIP. And I'll forward you today show to us banker straight to your inbox. Just write money line in the comment section. Moving on, we have a game between FS Solihull taking on FK Barungas in the Lithuania division, and my prediction is over 2.5 goals. The next game we have here is a game between Ochero Ives taking on Vastra in the Swedish Division 2. My prediction is over 2.5 goals. The last game we have here is a game between Dogonport taking on Rakrine United, and my prediction here is over 2.5 goals. You find this game in Myanmar National League. That gives us a total of 21. Also, bet responsibly, and I will see you guys after the game. This is the booking code for the people using Sportybet. And then if you are not using Sportybet, go ahead and select this game in your own local bookie and play. Thank you so much for staying tuned. I'll see you guys after the game.